how to make covered buttons, both with and without the button maker tool. We're going to need your covered button base. I'm using these hemline self-cover buttons in a 15mm size, which is just under 5/8 of an inch. This is the button maker tool. You don't have to use this, it's just a little easier, and like I say, I'm going to show you both methods. This button maker is numbered 473 and matches the 15mm buttons. On the back of the buttons are circles matching the button sizes, so you want to cut out the 15mm circle. It does go across the cut in the card, so I added some tape to keep it together. If you're using fine fabric, you will want to double it up. I used a fusible webbing to press 2 layers of fabric together to make it thicker and a bit stronger. Cut out a circle in your fabric using your template. Place the metal button on top of the fabric circle and gently pull the fabric around the button, catching the fabric on the little metal teeth. Work your way around, pulling the opposite sides of the fabric as you go to create an even tension. I found using small scissors to push under the teeth to be really useful. Take the button back and push it down onto the back of the button, encasing the raw edges of fabric and teeth. This is the tricky part. I found that catching one side of the back onto the button first and then using scissors to prise the other side under worked well, but I really don't recommend this for your favourite scissors. And here's the finished button. Now I'm going to show you how to make one using the button maker tool. First of all, cut out a circle of fabric like before using the template. Take the button maker and place your circle into the 15mm grey section of the tool. Put the button front on top, squishing the fabric down into the tool. Using your finger, scissors or a small tool, catch the fabric edge around and underneath the small teeth of the metal button. Put the metal button back on top and push down a little. Place the red part of the tool on top and push the button back and front together within the tool. You will have to use an even and very strong force on this, and sometimes you may have to still use scissors like I did in the first method to completely close the two sections together. And there you have it. The button on the left is the one I made without the tool and the one on the right is with the tool. If you're making more than a couple, I recommend the tool as it's certainly great for holding the circle to the button in the first stage, but honestly I can't tell the difference, so totally up to you. Thanks for watching, please subscribe to the channel for more sewing tips and tutorials. I'll see you on the next video.